Cap will self-destruct in 10, 9.
It's nice that he's covered his privates with his tail when you do this.
He took a picture of him laying on his back and
His
then
tail
realized
is
that
over
his
his
crotch
privates.
looked really funny, so he zoomed in on the photo of his crotch, cropped it, and sent it to all of his friends and said, "Dexter says hi."
Poor
Greetings
Dexter.
from Florida.
Poor
My
Kid
wiener.
Paw.
Applegate figured out it was a dog crying. Dexter doesn't care. He's
Dex!
3/4 gay.
Look at the camera. I'm taking a video of him now. Yay! High five! High five! Yeah! Good boy. Oh. Oh, you're a camera whore, aren't you? Oh,
Oh, he's a young Katarina.
oh.
What? High five? Yeah.
Boy.
Do the bang bang. Or the cookie trick.
He's gotten so many treats tonight.
Bang!
Good boy.
And now the cookie nose trick. Well, yeah.
Okay, sit, stay, 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 stay. Okay.
Yay!